I don't know, third bag with the same element. So here I have a fairly simple weldment that I use to define some operations, whatever, also machining operations. And I have a fillet 3 that causes an error because it has a missing edge. But currently I do not need this fillet, maybe I will need it later. So I go here, I move end of features in front of the fillet, so now everything is fine. Then I go return, so to get out of the machining, let's say, section. And what happens is this again brings the fillet in place. So obviously this has no effect whatsoever for the structure of the weldment. Useless. Oh, why there is a function that actually does something that is expected, but then it doesn't save the effect of what it just did?